Hello and welcome back to Tech Tips for Genealogists. In today's tip, we're going to learn how to pin some of your apps to the taskbar. I'm going to share my screen and show you how to do this in Microsoft Edge. Currently looking at one item that I have opened on the desktop, which is my ancestry.com. And I want this to show in the taskbar at the bottom tray of the viewing window. So I go to the three dots on the right-hand side and four. There we go. And then in more tools, we can pin to the start or pin to the task. First of all, let's pin to the taskbar. And it will pop up to say, do you really want to do this? So you select the answer. And hopefully you can see down below, it's now that into the taskbar. I've also been discovering how to change color of the background so that it is a dark theme. So I'll just go on my. So this is what it looks like when I first come into Edge. And I've set it up so that the tabs appear on the left-hand side and they're in a darker grey colour. Three dots. Settings. And this time we're looking for appearance. And now we can choose what kind of colour theme we want. You'll see that it's currently on the dark mode. If I change it back to light, you'll see it in its normal viewing. But I find this really hard on my eyes and I prefer the dark theme. You can also change the colour schemes here if you like. And we can also change the layout of the tabs. It's a bit low on the screen here. Let me move some pieces around. So we want to manage the tab settings here right at the bottom. Click into that and you'll see that I've had turned on show vertical tabs. If I turn it off, you'll see that the tabs appear across the top as usual. But by turning on the vertical tabs, it clears that top layer significantly. We can hide the title bar if we want to, but I prefer to have it always showing. We want it to show tab search, tab preview, and tab groups in favorites bar. And being able to drag to the group tabs is useful. So switch that on. You can also use a double click to close browser tabs. Let's switch that on as well. And of course you do this in any of your browsers. So it's useful to have a look at the settings behind your browser screen and to also put in place something in the taskbar that you go to frequently. So that was tip 3 for today, which was all about pinning to the taskbar and a little bit extra on the settings for your Edge browser windows.